Welcome back to another episode of Amazing Kitchen. Here we got in front of us is 2 pieces of sirloin steak, straight from Texas, USA. I was told that the steak in Texas is very different from steak from the rest of the other states in America. So that got me curious. So when my friend came over, he brought 4 pieces for me. So thanks to Leighton and Lisa that I have the opportunity to give this a try. Look at the thick cut of this steak. It's beautiful. Let's take a look at this steak. The fat distribution on the meat is just absolutely perfect. I mean, it's just fine and nice, similar to Wagyu. This is why American steak is really good. I mean, the thick cut, the great marbling, and the flavor. I was told that the flavor in this is exceptional. So that got me curious, and here I am. I have the steak in front of me, so let's season this. So I have some salt. Okay, let's salt these beautiful steaks. And then we will sprinkle some fresh grounded black pepper on it as well. Okay, then flip it to the other side and we do the same. Okay, we'll let this marinate for about 5 minutes. I'll make a fresh garlic butter to baste these steaks with, and we'll see how this will taste after it's cooked. Alright. Here we go, we got some garlic. So we simply take a few cloves, we cut the ends off, don't need to do much. We smash it, remove the sheets, and we can put that aside. Do the same to the rest. Here we go, we have a chunk of butter right here, so we just take some off. We allow this to melt. And let it sit in our bowl, so when we're cooking, we'll add that in. Then our garlic, we just smash it some more, just simply put it in. That's all that is needed. Once you smash it, the juice is released. Awesome. So that's all that is needed. We'll add this when we're cooking, and this will have tremendous amount of flavor to our steak. So let's move on to cooking. Great, now we got our skillet nice and warm. We drop a little oil. Now let's get our steak seared. Now try not to touch it for 2 minutes. Then we'll flip it and get it caramelized on the surface to lock in that flavor and juice. Alright, now let's give this a flip. Look at that. This is beautiful. The browning on the surface. Perfect. Now we'll give it another 2 minutes on this side, then we'll sear the fat a bit. Then we'll decide how much to cook this. Good, now let's sear the fat area. So we'll just stand it up vertically. Allow the fat to get some heat. And we'll flip it to the other end and stand it up also. So what I will do is I will take one out now, and then I'll cook the other one with a butter base. So then we'll have a nice comparison. So I'll remove this one, the thinner one, and let that rest. Now for this one, we'll add our garlic and butter to this. Now we allow the garlic and butter to just melt and give out this beautiful flavor. Then we'll baste the steak with it. So let's go ahead and baste the steak. Oh. The garlic is smelling great. So this will add a lot of flavor to this steak. And once it's done, we can even eat this garlic. It will be nice and crispy. Alright, I think our steak is looking good. So now we can take it off and also let it rest. Okay, now that has rested for a few minutes, now let's take the steaks out and cut these and see how they fare. This one is the one that is not based with garlic butter, and this one has been based with garlic butter. So let's give both of them a cut and see how they look. And this one is with the garlic. Of course, with the garlic, it will be a little more well done, but this is perfect. Look at this. Wow. All right, this is the piece without garlic. Let's give this a try. Has a nice bite to it. Okay, I can just peel this with my hand. Just the right amount of salt. Amazing. The flavor does seem a little different. It has a, I can't describe. It has that beefy taste, but it's not so pronounced to me. But it's very intense, the flavor. Now let's try the piece that has been based in garlic. Same, this is a little bit more well done, but I'm sure it's just as good because it's a thicker piece. The aroma from the garlic adds so much more flavor to it. If you like to taste the steak at its original flavor, do it without the garlic butter because it will add a layer of coating of flavor to this steak that might skew the taste of the original beef, but it's absolutely amazing. I love both. So tender and nice. Look at the juice coming off of this. Now, Texas steak does taste a little different from steak from the rest of the USA. It has a nice clean up palate to it, less gamey, but still hold that intense beef flavor. Perfect, awesome. You should give this a try if you have a chance. All right, until next time, remember to subscribe if you haven't yet. Make sure you check our other beef playlist. I'll leave a link above so you can take a look at it. And until next time, bye now.